Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to change the interface background colour in Photoshop. First thing to do is have Photoshop open and have an image already open as well. Right-click anywhere on the interface background outside of the image. From the menu that appears, select the colour you want. If you choose Select Custom Colour, you can specify any colour Photoshop supports. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.